guys, you're welcome to lesson 2 of our Nzema studies. In lesson 1 we learned about the Nzema alphabet that we call Ngalarega Ngbake, and we looked at the vowels and consonants as well. We went on to learn some 2-letter words, and I will tap on some of them, then we move on to our main lesson, which is lesson 2. In the first lesson, we looked at the alphabets and the 2-letter words. Joining 2 alphabets to get 2-letter words, we have ba, which is b, a, be, b, e, b, b, e, b, b, e, bo, b, o, bo, b, o, bu, b, u. We looked at the consonant d. We have d, a, da, d, e, de, d, e, de, d, e, di, d, o, do, d, o, do, d, u, do. We looked at the f, and you continue from there. Now, in our lesson for today, you're going to look at some 3-letter words and 4-letter words. If time permits, you'll continue to the 5 and 6, then you get to know more words in Nzema. And for you to know it better, you get the English aspect and the Nzema aspect as well. So, in our 3-letter words formation, the first one you have is tie, tie, t, I, e, tie, t, I, e, tie. You have etu, etu, e, t, u, e, t, u, etu. Bia, b, I, a, bia, b, I, a. You have die, die, d, I, e, die, d, I, e, die. You have sua, s, u, a, sua, s, u, a, sua. Alright, I'll go on to give you some more words. We have bie, bie, b, I, e, bie, b, I, e, bie. We have dua, dua, d, u, a, d, u, a, dua. Alright, let's move on to some of the 4-letter words. We have kusu, kusu, k, u, s, u, kusu, k, u, s, u, kusu. Bouquet, bouquet, b, u, k, e, b, u, k, e, bouquet. We have baka, baka, b, a, k, a, b, a, k, a, baka. Ekpa, ekpa, e, k, p, a, ekpa, e, k, p, a, ekpa. We have fele, fele, f e e f e fele. We have bede b e d e b e d e. Duba d u b a d u b a. Kate k a t e k a t e kate. Bana b a n a b a n a bana. Butu b u t u butu b u t u butu. Kele k e k e kele. Ebia e b I a ebia. I'm taking it again. E b I a ebia. Now we move on to some 5-letter words. We have bulukun, bulukun, b u u k u bulukun. I'm taking it again. B u u k u bulukun. We have edanle, edanle, e d a n edanle, e d a n edanle. We have nzule, nzule, n z u n z u nzule. We have azele, a z azele, a z azele. We have kelata, kelata, k a t a, kelata, k a t a. Hope you enjoyed it. You've learned a lot. There are a whole lot into it, and in our next video I will give you more, and we'll move on to some simple sentences. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. God bless you.